You know, a lot of people ask, what is a sleep device? If you're not talking about CPAP, and again, being the gold standard, if everybody can wear a CPAP, that's great. What do you do with the 45% that cannot wear a CPAP? Or maybe they're very mild sleep apneic. There are FDA approved devices in which what we do, they're custom fit. We use a scanner to get a detailed fit of their mouth. And these devices are able to be customized to get the person breathing better. So these are long-term solutions to get someone to be able to breathe better that are very easy. You just, right before you turn the light out to go to bed, you pop them in your mouth, you go to sleep. And in the morning, you take it out, rinse it off, and put it in a container and go to work. Also good for travel. Going through security with a CPAP machine, a lot of times you got to take this out of a suitcase and show it. This can go through security in your laptop bag without any of that as well. So it has a lot of convenience for that. Camping, a lot of times when you don't have electricity, it also works very well. But if you're a candidate, it's a great life-changing device. It can make a huge difference in someone's life.